Hello friends, you are very much welcome on my Future Founder channel. I have created this channel for all my friends who want to know about OnPassive. I will try to give you some important information about OnPassive. Friends, like, share, subscribe the channel if you like the video on my channel. We are in it to win it.
We are in it to win it. Greatest shape of YOUR life. Mr. Mufare, June 14, 2021. Dear founders, what a ride it has been up to this point. Let me take the pleasure of giving you an update recap. 1. You have taken the step to embrace the vision of Ash Mufare to build a business that will correct the corruption of the mainstream online business models of the past, where the competition to be number one outweighs the model of shared efforts to help all become successful. Mr. Mufare put it this way: do we want 2 billionaires and the rest end up watching, or 2 billion people making something more? Making something is the best. 2. The company OnPassive is now approaching an ecosystem of approximately 50 businesses under one umbrella. What does that mean? Each product that the engineers have developed from scratch are now standalone companies with their own websites, engineers, and support staff. Some of these companies, like OStaff, will have their own building sites because of the size and value of that product company. For one price, the customer gets the entire buffet suite of products. As the company adds more products, the price stays the same and the customer gets them included as well. Recap: our $97 founder fee purchased us a ground floor partnership in the profits of a multi-billion-dollar company that will be marketing to the world this year. When the company launches, we will all pay for the first month subscription, $100 to $250. This is the fuel that drives the OnPassive machine for its first marketing campaigns. 1. Each founder is given a business with a domain name, website, guaranteed traffic, 25/7 marketing, daily website building based on the artificial intelligence analysis to make our businesses the most effective for each of the products, and compensation for each sale the system generates, and bonuses that are included periodically. 2. The second month payment will be taken from the commissions generated by the company, once out of pocket, monthly out of commissions. 3. We are presently in the mega product pre-launch. The tools posted on the onpassive.com website are being introduced with state-of-the-art videos and comprehensive write-ups. Please take the pleasure of checking the website out. I think you will be impressed. 4. In a couple of weeks, our GoFounders back office will have a new, from the ground floor up, OFounders back office. Ash gave us a sneak peek view last week of what it will look like. Recap: in the beginning there was no back office. Then as the company grew, it built the present back office to help the founders build their teams of founder, reseller, customer for guaranteed income, and to help communicate with each other for encouragement, keep up to date, and tracking one's progress. Many tools, hundreds, were built to help the founders share the founder experience with others. Webinars, sharing links, trim URL, and many other tools were built along the way for more success. Now the new OFounder back office is being built to facilitate the soft launch phase coming very soon. 5. Soft launch. This phase of the business launch is for the company to beta test some of the products, marketing, and building the present founders teams. Present founders will be able to use some of the products before going live to the world. The founders are the first users to work out the bugs, if any, and to make them the best before going live to the world. There will be some small bonuses associated with this launch phase, not much and not guaranteed. This will help establish the wallets and the marketing processes. New founders will be the targeted traffic, and maybe we will have some added to our team by the company. We can also still invite and then get commissions on those new founders we sign in. This will help generate money for the initial first month. Subscription cost we all need. C. The soft launch period will run for as little as 2 weeks and no longer than 90 days. When the company is satisfied with all aspects of the soft launch, the hard launch will immediately follow. 6. Hard launch. The hard launch is when the company is introduced to the world for sales. A. This is when we will purchase the first month subscription, $100. $250, we will know the cost before it launches. I have been encouraging folks to save $200 for each account they may own. Personally, I am setting aside $250. There will be a grace period, but we should activate immediately to start earning those commissions. Let's communicate if someone is struggling to meet the startup cost, so all of our businesses will be running on full power and all cylinders. B. As soon as we pay the subscription, the marketing begins. If you wait, you may not get much traffic. The artificial intelligence will notice active and non-active accounts and will focus on the paid active accounts. Bottom line, the sooner the account is active, the sooner one can make commissions. 7. New O-Founder site. This will be activated in a couple of weeks. We will have to be able to log into the email associated with the founding position in order to set up the two-factor authentication to get into the new site every time we log in. It is recommended that we change our passwords every month as well. A. When we go to hard launch, the O-Founder site will be archived, and we then use the same credentials for the new ONPASSIVE back office. The O-Founder site will be history only. Recaps: make sure we have our IDs, passport, driver license, police ID, etc., and a bill from a utility, phone, water, or some other company that is 6 months or earlier for the two-factor authentication process to set up our wallets. Keep checking your emails and back office for updates. We are very, very close, folks. Summer and fall of 2021 is the time to prepare for the. We are in it to win it.